Hi guys, let's begin the cardiovascular portion of the CPC training module. Okay, so coming to cardiovascular system, here we are going to deal with the heart and the vascular system. Okay, so let's get to the topic. So when we see the CPT arrangement of the cardiovascular system, it begins from the pericardium. Before going to the CPT sections, it is highly advisable that please go and visit our training modules or the classes on the basic anatomy so that you will have a clear picture of these anatomic sites and then you can easily select the codes. It is always advisable to go back to the free anatomy packages that we have provided so that you have a fair understanding of the sections and procedures that we are going to discuss. Coming back to the topic, the first procedure that is being listed in the CPT section is Pericardiocentesis. Okay, so you need to split up pericardium plus centesis. Centesis meaning aspiration, you are going to remove it. So when do you remove that fluid? So we know like the pericardium contains a fluid called the pericardial fluid. In conditions like malignancy, there is an accumulation of this fluid in the pericardium leading to a condition called pericardial effusion. At that time, the provider is going to put a syringe into the pericardium and he is going to remove the excess fluid called pericardiocentesis. So we have a code for pericardiocentesis.